Are you looking for the best cable modems to supercharge your internet speed and get the most out of your ISP? In this video, we'll be reviewing 4 of the best cable modems available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for top-tier performance, budget-friendly options, or something in between, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, we've included links to each product in the description below, so be sure to check them out and see which one fits your needs and budget. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Motorola MG8700 Modem. The Motorola MG8700 is one of the most popular third-party modems you can buy, thanks to its combination of excellent features, ability to operate as both a modem and a router to simplify your internet connectivity, and its relatively affordable price. While the most modern modems tout their ability to support gigabit-plus internet speeds, that's not something everyone has access to, and there's no need for you to pay for a feature you can't use. That doesn't mean the MG7700 is slow, though. It can support internet speeds all the way up to 800 megabits per second, and has 4 gigabit Ethernet ports for fast network data transfers and zero internet bottlenecks. It also has built-in Wi-Fi 5 support, which again isn't the fastest standard, but it's more than quick enough for everyday web browsing and streaming video. It is supported by most major internet service providers, and has useful additional router features, like parental controls, and guest networking support. You can always add your own router later if you want to improve Wi-Fi performance or coverage, but for most internet users, the Motorola MG7700 offers everything you need for the foreseeable future. DOCSIS version 3.0 supported internet speed, 800 megabits per second Ethernet ports, 4x gigabit, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 5, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, phone jack, no. Number 2. Netgear Cable Modem CM500. The CM500 is a great modem for anyone looking to get out from under rental payments, as it's affordable, supports high-speed internet up to 400 megabits per second, and it's easy to connect it to any wireless router so you can enjoy high-speed wired and wireless internet access. It comes with a single gigabit Ethernet port, and the setup is quick and easy. It's a small device, too, so you needn't make a big space for it in your home. Cutting back on monthly costs is the real selling point of this modem, though. If you don't want to continue paying a monthly fee for your existing modem, this is a great entry-level model to replace it with. It's especially cheap with its latest discount, and will have paid for itself in the elimination of rental fees in just a few months. If you want slightly better performance, too, there are more costly models that give you 500 megabits per second, or even 1 gigabit per second download speeds, great for anyone upgrading to gigabit speed internet in the near future. DOCSIS version 3.0 supported internet speed, 400 megabytes per second Ethernet ports, 1x gigabit, Wi-Fi, no, phone jack, no. Number 3. Motorola MG8702. If you want a modem that is packed full of the latest features, then the Motorola MG8702 is a great premium modem to buy. It'll pay for itself in just over a year of dodged modem rental fees, and with that investment up front you get a router and modem in one, with Wi-Fi 5 support, multiple gigabit Ethernet connections, and support for gigabit and faster internet connections up to 1,200 megabits per second. It's compatible with most of the major internet service providers, and comes with a 2-year warranty giving you peace of mind. The router functions aren't cutting edge, but they're still strong, with Wi-Fi 5 speeds, support for beamforming for improved Wi-Fi signal strength and coverage in your home. It also includes quality of service, QoS, features for prioritizing latency-sensitive traffic, like gaming, and has parental controls so you can lock down what the kids are looking at on the internet. It's a little more expensive than most of the other modems on this list, but its additional performance and robust set of features make it one of the best modems you can buy today. DOCSIS version 3.1 supported internet speed, 1,200 megabytes per second Ethernet ports, 4x gigabit, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 5 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, phone jack, no. Number 4. Netgear Nighthawk CM2000. If you live in an area where multi-gigabit speed internet is available and you want to take advantage of it, you're going to have to pay for the privilege. Fortunately, with modems like the Netgear Nighthawk CM2000, you aren't going to have to pay too much to get it. At just under $300, this modem might be more expensive than most, and you'll need to buy a router to go with it, but if you do, you'll unlock some of the fastest internet speeds in the world. With support for up to 2,500 megabits per second, that's 2.5 gigabits per second, of bandwidth, this modem will help you download faster, stream at higher qualities, and get more people online than almost any other modem. It's about as fast and capable as it gets. This modem is overkill for most users, but if you want to download files extremely quickly, want the least latency for competitive gaming, or have many people in your home who want to stream 4K video at the same time, and you have the internet connection to use it, there are few modems that can match the CM2000. It also features a sleek, unique-looking design, and if you need to be able to connect a phone to the modem, there's a version with dual phone lines too. DOCSIS version 3.1 supported internet speed, 2,500 megabits per second Ethernet ports, 1x 2.5 gigabit Wi-Fi, no phone jack, no